Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can get Telegram stars for free, as well as walk you through easy methods you can use to buy stars on Telegram. By the end of this video, you'll know how to effortlessly grow your stars balance using safe, legitimate strategies. No hacks, no scams, just tried and true methods you can start using immediately. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Telegram app. Head over to your settings. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage and check your Telegram stars. Simply tap on Settings and then look for the My Stars section. If you've never checked out this area before, don't worry, it's usually toward the middle of the settings menu and super easy to spot. Here you'll see your current stars balance, and this is also where you'll be able to buy stars if you choose to later on. Take a second to familiarize yourself with this screen. Knowing where to find your stars is important, since you'll be coming back here often as you start collecting them. Now let's talk about those truly free methods to earn Telegram stars. The first way is to keep an eye out for giveaways. A lot of Telegram channel and group owners regularly host giveaway events, offering stars as prizes to their members. This is their way of saying thank you for supporting the community and to keep things fun and engaging. Think of these giveaways like a raffle or a door prize at a local event. You show up, participate, and you might walk away with a nice bonus. Giveaways can pop up for all sorts of reasons. Maybe the channel hit a new milestone or the group is celebrating an anniversary. It's a great idea to stay active in your favorite Telegram groups and channels. Often, all you need to do is follow a few simple steps, like inviting a friend or forwarding a message to enter the draw. Don't worry if you don't win on your first try, giveaways happen often and every round gives you a fresh chance to win. Just make sure you're following legitimate channels and read the event details so you're not wasting time on something that isn't real. The second free method I want to share is the affiliate program, which can be an even more consistent way to bring in stars. Telegram offers a referral system where you can share links to their mini-apps with friends, family, or your audience. Whenever someone uses your special referral link to access a mini-app for the first time, Telegram rewards you with a commission in stars. It's a bit like earning a bonus every time you tell someone about your favorite coffee shop and they go try it for themselves. To get started, find the mini-app you want to promote. There are tons of different options on Telegram and grab your unique referral or invite link, usually available inside the mini-app's menu or info page. From there, share it in chat groups, on social media, or directly with friends who haven't tried the app yet. Each new user who comes through your link puts stars in your account, and the best part is that this method can scale up if you have an audience or keep sharing consistently. And for those wanting to buy stars quickly and securely, you can do that right from the My Stars menu we found earlier in the settings. Telegram makes it a simple process. You just select the number of stars you want, complete your payment through the official app, and you'll see those stars appear in your balance within moments. This is perfect if you want stars immediately for gifting, supporting your favorite bots, or unlocking premium features. So whether you're aiming to win giveaways, participate in the affiliate program, or simply buy stars the easy way, these methods are all legit, simple, and safe. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please tap that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips for earning Telegram stars. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy earning.